Welcome to 552 Guerrero Street. This is a super prime Mission location, very close to Dolores Park, the Bi-Rite market, all the shopping and restaurants that people like in the Mission district. And it has a remarkable amount of its Victorian details intact throughout the apartment. It works as a 4 or a 5 bedroom, depending on how you want to configure it. And we're here in the original landing, which has the interior staircase. There's a stained glass window here that would actually flip around and open. Looks like an original light fixture there. There's wood floors throughout, high ceilings, and some great woodwork on the doors and trim. We'll call this room number 1, and it's a front room with a bay window looking onto Guerrero Street. It's a little rainy today, but it's usually pretty sunny. There's a storage space up there, but not a closet in this room. And it has been upgraded to have a central heating system. So this would be your first room. It's a nice bedroom. The second room would be the front of the original double parlor. It has another bay window. It's a little circular. And the fireplace with much of the original tile work and woodwork intact. It's kind of coved ceilings here. And this also looks onto Guerrero Street. These are working, fully closed double doors that you can use to enter into room number 3, or you can go this way through the hall. The woodwork's just great throughout. So room number 3 would be your second part of the original double parlor. It has another bay window. That would just be the room number 2. And this room does have a closet. A nice sized closet. And it opens up to a little sink room here, which is shared with the next room that we'll look at. You go through that door, you get to room number 4. You just close that. It's a nice room. Back in the hall, we'll take a little pit stop at the bath here. So all the baths have been redone. There's a full bath with a shower over tub, a nice vanity, and a tiled floor. There's a service door of sorts here, so you can close off and make it a little more comfortable living. This second part of the hallway, a nice storage closet there. Some of the original windows. Wainscoting, woodwork. Continuing with the baths, a little water closet there, and then the second full bath. So we have 2 full baths and then the 2 partial baths, including that sink. So room number 4, which is the one that would have opened up to the little sink room. It's a little smaller, still pretty big, has an interesting light fixture, 1 window. You're almost right at Dolores Park down that street. And this has a nice corner closet. Room number 5 would have been the original formal dining room, and it has what they call is a boxed beam ceiling. And all this wood paneling intact throughout. You have the second little fireplace. And this is all original. Nice details. And you have this bay window. This door goes to the kitchen now, but it's sealed off. So you can have 5 nice bedrooms, or you can choose one of the rooms and use it as a living room and have a nice 4-bedroom. If you do choose to use it as a 5, you got a great kitchen, which could act as your common space. This island over here is movable. We can move it to the center or another location in the kitchen if you want. It's a great kitchen with lots of maple cabinets, granite countertops. It has a brand new Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator with a bottom drawer freezer, a dishwasher, a full-size sink, and a gas stove range with hood, some more windows. Through this door is your trash area, and there is a laundry room located in the basement. Plus there's a small shared backyard with the property. If you're interested in leasing 552 Guerrero Street, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you, and have a good day.